alert, do you?
Guess not.
Well, what are you gonna do about it?
One day we're gonna look back on this and laugh, hey baby. One day we're
I just want what's best for my daughter, so it's gonna end right now.
If this was the last time you're gonna see me, what would you say?
Well, I just thought you should know that only you amaze me,
A long time.
baby.
20 years.
'Cause I am running, I am running, I am running wild. I am running,
You weren't just someone I loved back then. You are
over you.
the very best of me.